I am not trying to seduce you.
That gets a little uncomfortable just holding this. For real. It's like for real, though. There we go. How about that? That works. All right, let's kick it. This is so stupid. Is the microphone working? Could you hear me now? What's this? Oh, that's my cross. Oh man, this is like all this screw up going on here. That's my cross. Black day, stormy night. No love, no hope in sight. Don't die without knowing the cross, y'all. All right, so, I like it right about here. This is going to be really a weird one. Oh my gosh, this whole angle is just kind of like wonkety wonk. And I'm going to do it anyway, so that's just the way it is. It's like that, and that's the way it is. All right, so tracking. There it is. Ooh, I like that better. Over here. No, I don't like that better. Oh, that was disturbing. All right, so let's do this. You can't even do the Esquire from this. There's like a minute and a half of just stupidness right now. This is dumb. But I gotta do it because it's weird. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, so let's kick it. This was not my intent. It's just like a last minute. I was setting up the tripod and I'm like, hey, we should do this because this goes along with the topic. So dumb. Yeah, well, like you'd ever expect anything else from me. So let's do this. Yeah. Gosh, I hope the audio's not just like too harsh. It's like all scratchy. I'm moving the microphone around. All right, so let's do it. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. And this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ right there, EPHQ, with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and well, there you go, weird. For 365 days, excluding Holy Week, I took a week off, had to show some mad respect. That's all I'm gonna say. Today's episode is why candid moments. It's like a why and a how. Candid moments tend to be more powerful than a staged, formal, put together, conceptualized, etc. portrait or film. Like how those could be more real, authentic, potentially weird, but let's keep it real and authentic. A candid picture will show more about a person and their true self than something staged and formal and just all really hyper put together. And if you were watching a previous episode, then we discussed how you can evoke emotion out of your subject in front of the camera. Yeah, for real. So those candid moments, those moments in between are way, way powerful, and at times can really show a person's true emotion and their true personality, and all of that shines through in a candid moment, not an opposed moment. That's what's worked for me. As the disclaimer, individual results may vary, but that's what's worked for me. What about you? What works for you? Totally share downstairs in the kilt zone. Totally. This is I'm like laying on a couch. I feel like the Valentine's Day sexy episode where I was like in a kilt, like, hey, I had to lock both doors on the studio for that one because it was like the way I was positioned. Was it the Frank or the beans? That's all we're gonna say. That's all we're gonna say. Whoever would have walked in, we would have been family really fast, and that would have been super, really uncomfortable. Okay, so let's wrap it up. But no, seriously, what do you guys do? Totally share downstairs in the kilt zone. I wanna know. I wanna know, get to know y'all a little bit better. Whoa! That's kind of cool. Not really. All right, so let's wrap it up. So that's it. And this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, candid, and a little bit weird. If you are currently a subscriber and you're following, see, I couldn't even talk. I was off a subscriber follower. If you're doing that, thank you so much. You guys rock, for real dough. And if you're not, well, you should be. And remember, sharing is caring. Like, comment, share on YouTube. Hit the bell, notifications, ding dong. And share what you guys think downstairs in the kilt zone. And that's it. I'm dying for some coffee. That's why these episodes are so long today. I forgot to get totally fully caffeinated today. Okay, so until next time, stay caffeinated more than I am today, and I'll see you soon. This is so stupid. Bye, guys.